Welcome to another Lightning Payroll video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to process a pay using Lightning Payroll. To begin, click on the Pays button. Pays for each employee are built or edited from within the Edit Pay window. From here, you have the option of editing a full list of your employees in order by using the main Edit Pays button up here. Or if you'd like to edit the pay for an individual employee, you can use the smaller Edit Pay button found beside each employee's name over here. Each Edit Pay window will usually populate from what's been entered into the employee's Pay Settings screen. You can change or enter the time worked by entering the appropriate figures into the value field. Time worked can be entered in hours and minutes or as a fraction of an hour. For example, I'm going to type in 38.5 hours, and by pressing Tab, Lightning Payroll will convert the 0.5 hours into 30 minutes. Leave balances are carried over from earlier pays and displayed in this section here. You can edit the leave balances in this screen if you need to, by clicking on the pencil icon next to the balance amount. To enter any leave taken for this pay, click on the green plus button. This will allow you to enter a leave type and any hours being taken. In this case, I'm going to add 1 day of sick leave. This employee works 7.6 hour days, so that's what I'll type here. Remember to add in any leave loading if your employees are entitled to it. If you're happy with the total amounts shown down the bottom of the window, click Save. Once leave taken has been added into a pay, the corresponding leave balance will adjust automatically. You may have also noticed that the ordinary time will reduce to account for the day which has now been taken as sick leave. If you want to edit the leave taken in this pay, you can click on the pencil icon next to the leave taken. If you'd like to remove it instead, just click on the red X. If you need to add, remove or adjust any allowances or deductions, you can do so by clicking on the Allowances and Deductions tab. These need to be set up in the Employees, Allowances and Deductions area first before they will appear here. Although I can alter this travel allowance here, I don't have the option to add or edit a deduction. This is because I haven't set one up for this employee yet. The same also applies for salary sacrifice and special user-defined pay rates. However, once you've set them up for an employee, they'll be ready to use here in the Edit Pay window, and they too can be entered or adjusted by clicking the relevant Edit button. Tax and super will calculate automatically as per the settings in the Employees area. Normally the default settings are going to work perfectly, but if you need to, you can manually edit super and tax calculations by clicking their corresponding edit buttons. Once you're satisfied that all of the information regarding this pay has been entered correctly, it can be saved. To move along and edit the pay for the next employee in the list, just click Save and Next. If you're finished editing the pays, just click Save and Close to return to the main Pays screen. To view or print pay slips and reports, you can choose the relevant button from up the top of the Pays screen. Any additional reports can be found in the main Reports screen here. To learn how to set up an employee's pay settings, please watch our Setting Up a New Employee or Company video. To learn how to make batch payments via your online banking, please see our video on making direct entry payment. This has been a Lightning Payroll video tutorial. To learn more, you can visit us at lightningpayroll.com.au.